Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a background video to your Windows Forms app. So here we are in Visual Studio, and we're going to open a new project, and obviously a Forms app. I'm going to be doing this in C#, so this may not apply to what language you're using, but I would recommend using C#. So first of all, we're going to start by making the form window 1920 by 1080, so it is like a full screen form. And then now we're going to add the Windows Media Player function. So you're going to go to your toolbox. If you don't have your toolbox, or just close it like I did, go to View, or then go to Toolbox. You should have something like this. Expand all Windows Forms, and right click it and click Choose Items. Once this window is loaded, go to Com Components, give it a minute to load, and scroll down until you see Windows Media Player. Make sure you have this checked, and if you don't, check it and click OK. Now you should have the Windows Media Player control, so just drag it onto here, and you want to drag a media player window. So here we have one, and you can do a custom size down here, or what you can do like me is just position it to fit your form window. So coming across here, we're just gonna scroll across here, make it the same length, and if you don't, if you don't want the controls, the media player controls, to be visible like I do, then just, when dragging it down, just keep dragging down until you just about can't see the controls, because the window border cuts it off. Okay, so now come back up, and you should have this form window that looks something like this. You can change your form name here, so I'm just going to change mine to player. And you can change your icon as well if you really want to. I'm not going to get into that. So to add content to your media player window, just double click it and you should get this. Syntax is this here. So to add a video, you're going to do ax windows media player 1.url equals, and then if you're doing a file directory, you need to do at, and then this here, the quotation marks. Sorry, I've messed this up. Okay, there we go. So now my video is located on my desktop, but it's important that you don't go to quick access desktop. You want to go to this PC, your C drive, or wherever your Windows installed, users, your username, and then desktop. Okay, now copy this file directory, and this is assuming if you have your file on your desktop. Copy this file directory, add another backslash, and then find the exact file that you want to put in. So mine is this Halo 3 video. So copy that and add that in, and add your file type, and you should be good to go. And just make sure you add that. And then to make it autoplay, I'm pretty sure you have to do this controls.play, and then like that. Sorry, I don't know how I did that. Okay, like that. Save this, and now whenever we run this, it should give us the video. Okay, so here's our form. It's not exactly to the size I wanted, but it'll do. And you can maximize it and close it, and you can't control the media player unless, of course, you double tap. So that's pretty cool.